Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to create line feature to polygon feature. If you want to conversion line to polygon, so it is very important for your project. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please I request you subscribe my channel by helping. So let start. Here is our line feature and we create a polygon and convert it polygon. For conversion it polygon we go to vector. Here is vector. After vector we go to geometry tool, and after geometry we go to line to polygon. We click here line to polygon and we select here line feature input. After it we run it and close it, and you see here our feature is generated line to polygon. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video.